How to log into your GoGift account securely. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to gogift.com. Once the homepage loads, click on the business login button at the top right corner of the page. A pop-up window will appear. Click on I already have an account button. Now enter your registered email and password in the respective fields. If you forget your password, simply click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your registered email address and you will receive instructions to reset your password via email. After entering your login details correctly, click on the login button to access your GoGift account. Once logged in, you are ready to explore the platform and manage your gift card securely. Always remember to log out when using public or shared devices to keep your account safe. Now you know how to log into your GoGift account securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.